If the grid went down tonight, would your backyard save you or leave you exposed? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn your yard into a self-reliant survival zone, one step at a time. Your backyard isn't just space for grilling burgers or hosting friends. With a few key upgrades, it can become a critical lifeline for food, water, shelter, and security. Whether you're prepping for natural disasters, blackouts, or long-term resilience, this is where you start. First up, survival gardening. Even a small yard can produce weeks' worth of calories if you plant smart. Focus on calorie-dense crops like potatoes, beans, squash, and leafy greens. Use raised beds, vertical gardens, or container setups if space is limited. Bonus, add medicinal herbs like aloe vera, mint, or calendula for first aid support. Water is life, and in an emergency, access disappears fast. Add a rainwater harvesting system with barrels connected to your gutters. Store at least 50 gallons per person, and always purify before use. Include a gravity-fed water filter or a boil station near your outdoor fire setup. If you couldn't stay indoors, could your yard shelter you? Add a well-ventilated tarp shelter, heavy-duty canopy, or even a converted shed with insulation and gear storage. For cooking, use a rocket stove, solar oven, or DIY fire pit. All safe, low-fuel options. Don't let your tools live in chaos. Use waterproof bins or hidden lockers to store flashlights, fuel, tarps, first aid kits, axes, and a backup power bank. Label and rotate gear every season to avoid rust or battery drain. In any crisis, safety is priority one. Add solar motion lights, security cameras, or even wind chimes to alert you of movement. Fencing, visibility lines, and a clear 360-degree perimeter make your backyard not just livable, but defensible. A survival haven doesn't have to be fancy, just functional. You don't need acres of land, just a mindset of readiness and a willingness to adapt. Start small, stay smart. And remember, your backyard might just be your best defense. Subscribe for more survival strategies. And hey, drop a comment if your yard is ready for the unexpected.